So to follow on from the last video about the inefficiency of the wet PTC heater in the ZE0 cars, here's a word of warning for those of you that are using shore power to preheat the car. Obviously these only charge at a maximum of 3.3 kilowatts from the wall, as do some of the early AZ E0s without the 6.6 onboard charger. What you can find, as you'll see here from Leaf Spy, is that the heater is basically drawing everything that it can. The wall box here, it's showing that it's only delivering me 742 watts to the battery, and the preheat is taking 2.5 kilowatts. Now on a really cold morning, the preheat can be taking about 4 kilowatts, which would mean that it would be drawing from your main battery, and the wall power wouldn't be able to replace it fast enough. So it's one to watch out for on the really cold mornings, that it can actually end up with you starting with less battery than you thought you were going to have if you were charging to 100% and then preheating. The ideal obviously is that the preheat super boost will be finished and done before your charging is finished, and therefore the wall box can put it back, or obviously before you set off anyway, because the charging really needs to be finished an hour before you depart. But yeah, if the rate of input to the heater decreases far enough, then as you'll see here, I'm now getting just over a kilowatt back into the battery, so it will start to replenish some of what it's been using from the big battery without affecting your range. And here you can see that a few minutes later it's already drawn some power from the battery. We're now down to 18.7 kilowatt hours, and this wasn't an extreme case because the heater, when I start the car, has basically got the car warm, because it's not that cold today. We're showing 3 degrees centigrade. So yeah, just want to watch out. It can draw more power from the battery than the shore power is able to put back for you.